got for sale 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like I said, 71 Mustang Mach 1. I'm sorry about the wind. I'm going to try and speak as clearly as I can. Mach 1 finished in red with black interior. M code 351 4-barrel car from the factory. C6 automatic transmission. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and factory air. As always, going to go around it, point anything I do see, fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So we'll start here in the front. And I gotta say, definitely painted very recently, and it's obvious. I'm impressed with the job for the car. The paint, the color is deep, the shine is beautiful, the body is straight. I made sure to show that in some of these pictures that I took of it so you get an idea. And I think just from going around it, there's maybe 3 to 5 marks on the whole paint. One of which is super, super small right there. But look how nice this hood lines up to the fender. And if you can see the shine, I'm happy it's sunny out. All new decals, all the black paint is new, of course. See how nice it lines up here. And again, you get that shine. Nice reflection off of it as well. That's how you, another idea that I look for, another thing that I look for, if you can see me. Craigers as well, I do like the look. Oh, let's go to the bumper here. Bumper's actually nice condition. You know, some like light toweling marks, but not bad at all. Not bad at all. Actually looks super nice. And I think, unless it's just that nice, this grille looks pretty recent. Same with like the outside around the headlights, that looks pretty recent. But let me go ahead here. I want to pop the hood. Show you guys what we're working with. Again, 351 4-barrel car. It's been upgraded with an aluminum intake and an Edelbrock carburetor, aluminum radiator as well. You see the power steering wheel, brake booster, master cylinder for the power 4-wheel disc brakes, MSD distributor, MSD coil. All the black in here is nice. Electric fan. It also has a trans cooler. They did the underhood at the same time, and I guess I would say by looking at it, repainted this whole engine compartment at the same time. And just look how nice this finish here is on this fender, and then you see that original stamping there. I don't see a stamping on the driver's side, so maybe it's a replacement, but the fitment lines up. I mean, when you go and you look how it lines up to the nose piece here, and then how nice it lines up to the door, I mean, you'd have no idea. So again, it's a factory air car. When I asked the guy if it worked, he said it does. The blower works, the air does not. The compressor is shot. I did a little bit of research on sand compressors because that's what it is. A replacement's like 150 to 280. So I would say you take it off, you evacuate the system. I would double check everything, pop it in. In my opinion, you would have working air then. So at least we kind of have it figured out what it is. But I want to go in and pop it up, let you guys hear it run. Now, while the paint is super nice, the interior's mostly good, I would say. I'm a little, you know, this isn't bad. That seat's okay, a little wrinkled on that side. Door panels all around are nice. The carpet's nice. The dash pad's new. Aftermarket steering wheel. Floor shifter. It's just if you did something about the seat, I would say, okay, that would bring the interior back together. Oh, and I'm not being picky because we'll get to the interior. It's missing a piece up here and there, so okay, the cost of that bezel can't be that much. And then it would bring it back together. But anyway, let's fire it up here. And then we'll come back and do the interior again. around, and then we'll come back. We'll do more of the interior when I get to it. But she runs great. Drives great, handles great. Love the 4-wheel disc brakes. Can't go wrong. So here's one of those, a little mark here. Maybe when they put the bumper back on, they nicked it. So there's 2 out of what I believe are the 5, if we even see 5. They did a nice job on the black down there as well. Lines up really well. Look how the door lines up to the rocker. And then the way the door lines up to the corner. This, here's one of those other ones that I was talking about. This body line lines up perfectly to the corner. Then again, you look here. This meets perfectly all the way down. You still got that nice line in there in the finish. I might do this whole side, then go inside. This lines up super well. Just look at this quarter. I know the shading's starting to come in with the sun moving, but it's really nice, you know. No stone chips down there. Super straight. Look how it reflects the tree. Like I said, no cracks in the glass, but you see some streaks, if that makes sense, from the windows going up and down, which they do. Same thing on the other side. And I would say newer weather stripping in here. Nice finish. They did a nice job painting in the door jamb as well. Door panel itself, super nice, super nice. It's missing on both sides the little rubber that goes in here. Figured I'd point that out. But then they did a really nice job painting this door jamb. Look at that. Down here as well. I love that attention to detail. And then I'll zoom out just a wee bit here so you can see the seats. And then again, what I was talking about, not bad. I mean, if you wanted to be inexpensive, a little piece of tape. I always like to take the tape off myself when I get them. Like I said, new dash pad. Glove box here is nice, if you can make that out. There you go. There, this is the little piece I was talking about that's missing. Has an aftermarket radio. It's got speakers in the back in a box. I mean, seat backs are nice when you look at them as well. Carpet's nice, clean, not ripped up. There's your seat belts in the back. Back seat is nice, not ripped. Door panels look good in the back as well. There's the speakers. Headliner, sail panels. No rips. No holes. Sorry, I just hit the camera. Grab the key, we'll move on. Just trying to think, I don't want to miss anything here. I know when they put the trim for the window, you know, you get a couple little marks on the black on both sides here. You can see some here. I would say it's probably difficult to put back on. I've never done it. But then you come here, you look at the this whole back panel. Look how nice that trunk lid lines up. Same deal here. And then the bumper is not as nice as the front, but it's a nice bumper still. It's just got a little bit more wear to it, a little bit more toweling marks, stuff like that. No pitting, though. The lower valance was painted as well. That looks super nice in the black. Grab the key. I guess I'll show you a little bit closer. close up here when it lines up. And the only thing on the car that I'm going to nitpick myself, I'll show you. Okay. Newer weather stripping though. They painted, you know, nice in here as well when they did it. Really did a nice job on the, if you can make that out. Yeah, there you go. Under the trunk lid. So then when they put this in, you know, it's common for these, for water to get in here and rust. So I would have to say at some point, you know, 1971, it's 54 years old if I did my math right now. It probably had some rust in here way back in the day. And at some point, I think this was even before they painted it, they put a little bit of extra rubber in there. Like a rubber, like that glue that holds the weather stripping in to keep it in place. It's a little lumpy. It's not that attractive, but is water going to get in? No. Do you people see it when you drive it, you know, on the road? No, it's hidden. It's in here. So it's not the end of the world, but it's like, if it was me, I might have done it a little bit better. You can see the box in here for the speakers, the amp, stuff like that. But it's nice in here. Nice carpeting. Okay. I mean, really, look at this. And it's got to be a really nice quality red to see it. A lot of times I don't get that reflection back on me. Again, look how nice this door lines up to the quarter. And down. And then over again. What are we at? 3 marks. And then those little nicks on the trims. That's nice. Look how nice this lines up to the door to the rocker, all the way forward to the fender. Again, no cracks in the glass, but this one has those streaks as well. Nice finish in here. I would say just as nice of a door panel as the other side. That nice finish in here. I think we got lucky with the wind, by the way. This seat, again, like I said, a little wrinkly here, but no rips, nothing like that. Sorry, competing with the sun. And then again, same thing here, missing that little rubber here. And I'll show you the back seat again. There you go. But it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 71 Ford Mustang Mach 1 M code 351 4-barrel car. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, and AC. Granted, we talked about that, but you're almost there. But anyway, we're about to hop in it now, show it drive, and then drive it around the block and get in for it. And yeah, thank you for watching. And here we go. as a Ford guy?
I'm an everything guy.
It's biased.
Yeah, I do really like these things.
It's not bad.
No. Drive straight, brakes are great,
Yeah.
engine solid.
Looks like it's got a newer windshield in it. Definitely a replacement. I don't know how
Yeah,
new.
it's a little older because you can see it's kind of faded in the corners.
Okay, but it's been replaced then.
Yeah,
At least,
some point in time, maybe.
Like you faded it in the tint bar.
Yeah, yeah.